In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files and folders Microsoft 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into your Microsoft account. Open your browser, go to the Microsoft account page, and log in with your credentials. If you use a work or school account, make sure you're in the correct profile so you see the right files and permissions. Once you're in, look for the Apps Launcher, the grid of 9 dots in the top left corner. Click it to open the app menu, then choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud storage where all your files and folders live. In OneDrive, go to My Files. This is your main hub. From here, browse to the exact file or folder you want to share. If you're planning to share several items at once, consider putting them in a folder and sharing the folder to keep access simple and consistent. When you found the item, right-click it and select Share. You can also select the item and use the Share button at the top. Both options open the same sharing panel. In this panel, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can add a short message so they know what the file is and why you're sharing it. Before you send, check the permissions. By default, you might see settings like Can Edit or Can View. Choose Can Edit if you want collaborators to make changes, or Can View if you only want them to read or download. You can also adjust who the link works for, such as specific people, people in your organization, or anyone with the link, depending on your organization's policies. If available, you can further limit editing, block downloads for view-only links, or set link expiration and passwords for extra security. When you're ready, click Send. The recipients will get an email with a link that opens the item directly. If you prefer not to send emails from OneDrive, choose Copy Link instead. This generates a shareable link that you can paste into a chat, document, or email. Just remember to set the right permissions before copying so you control who can open it and what they can do. Everything you've just learned works very similarly in SharePoint. If your files are in a SharePoint document library, you'll find the same share button and the same link and permission options. That's it. Sign in, open OneDrive, go to My Files, pick your item, share it, and choose Send or Copy Link with the right permissions. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.